Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix KRNL failed to find Roblox process. Okay, if you find something like this, the solution is in this guide. Now, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go to the bottom corner and then right click until you see the task manager and then tap on it and then make sure that your Roblox application is running in the background apps. Okay. And when you see the Roblox application, just right click and then select end task. Okay. Then minimize this. Then you will just have to use the search bar. Okay, this one. And then search for run. Okay, use the search bar and then tap on the run option. Okay, here you will just have to type out percent app data percent. Okay, so just follow along and make sure that you are typing this one correctly and then tap on OK. Now from here, you make sure that you're in this folder and then click on the app data and then click on local. And then you will just have to scroll down until you see the Roblox folder. Okay, this one, just double click this and then tap on the logs. Okay, so as you can see, these are the logs. Now, we will just have to delete this folder by clicking on the right of your mouse and then click on delete. So right after that, you will just have to open your Roblox application, and then from there you'll be able to see that your problem has been fixed. Okay, so if it's still not gonna work, make sure to turn off your antivirus application so that it will run smoothly. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.